tell us what you're doing.
Pull it just like you pull if you run down the hallway.
No.
Want me to actually pull it?
Yeah, actually pull it.
Yeah.
No, don't put your key in there, just pull it.
All right. Hello, YouTubers. It's Justin again, aka Adams. This is going to be a test of a Notifier voice evacuation control thing, voice evac system, and we are going to hear this thing live in action. Get ready. 3. You guys want me to actually pull it? You guys want me to pull the handle down?
Pull the handle down.
3, 2, 1. There you go. I did it. I'm a firearm expert. We're set full station. Floating paint.
Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave the building. All handicapped occupants shall follow the building.
You're all silenced. I'll silence it. I'll silence it. You're all silenced.
Attention, please. Attention, please.
All right. All right. Now we just reset the system. Oh, hey, can I try out the drill button? Okay.
You push and hold it till it goes off.
It's not doing anything.
They will. Give it time.
I love this. This is fun.
All right. Take your finger off of it.
Come on, come on, come on.
All right, try it again. I tore it up.
Uh-oh. My
Tear it
bad.
up.
No. Oh, boy.
You didn't make it work.
Hold the drill button down. Well, that's weird. This is Justin Adams. We have a fire alarm malfunction at UGA Gresham campus. There it goes.
Sometimes you have to hold it a little bit longer.
This is Justin Adams speaking.
Attention, please. Attention, please. The signal you have just heard indicates a report of an emergency in this building. Walk to the nearest exit and leave
There, I'll
the
silence
building.
it.
All handicapped occupants shall follow the building evacuation plan.
All right, just gonna do a whent test. All right. Let me do that again. Huh. All right. Hey, Dad, can we